Welcome back, it's Bugs125 here, and today we're going to be doing an airsoft battle. Okay, so for the first challenge, we're going to be hitting some targets. This target's worth 10 points, this is worth 20 points, and this is, let's just say, anywhere on it is 30 points, and if you hit the middle, 50. Okay, so we're back here, and we're gonna be shooting from all the way back here. We're gonna be shooting at the targets, like I said, and I'm gonna go first. We get 5 shots each, and here we go. It's 10 points. Whoa. Way too high. It's 3 shots, pretty sure. 4 shots. Let's go for the big thing. Ah, right over it. Okay, on to the next one.
Now, if you heard of me, I'm Area 3 Tap, and let's shoot. The gun loaded.
Oh, yes.
Okay. You didn't load the gun.
Ah, I thought you meant
Oh.
this one.
This gun shoots
It's 2. Three.
Why does it aim so far?
4.
Why did it shoot that high?
I don't know. 5. 0 points for 3 tap, and on to the next challenge. I haven't done the challenge yet. Stop. Okay, 3. Okay, so we're up on our hill. We're gonna shoot that target way over there. The target. And yeah, hopefully we can get it. We'll see if we can even see if we get it, but I have absolutely no idea where that went. Oh yeah, we get 5 shots too. That's 5, okay.
When we stopped filming for a little bit, we saw a bird, and I told Grant to shoot it. He hit it, literally. He hit it. You know me.
Okay. Same thing, 5 shots trying to hit that target over there. Let's go.
Did it hit it?
No. Pull it!
I would have hit it.
Load it.
I would have hit it.
Keep going.
I missed it.
Yeah, I know. Load it. Oh, he's cheating. Getting closer. Hurry up. I'll let you do one. This is your last shot. Okay, on to the next shot. For the review, judges are saying that I won by 10 points. That's it, really. It's kind of sad. If you want a part 2, we'll do it. And we made an agreement that the loser has to get shot.
Get one shot, and the winner gets one shot, because it's unfair to make some 8.
Yeah, he's 8, so
Last time
I told him.
got shot with the.
I told him we'll both get shot
Last
together.
time
So
got shot with one.
yeah. Okay. Okay. He's getting his goggles on. Hurry up, put them on. This is try like I have no idea. We finally got it, and I accidentally deleted it because I ran out of storage. That's how many tries. And I deleted all of them. And yeah. You ready? Did it get you? Hey, okay. We hit him. Nice.